Hello students, let us start the next part of smart objects. The next smart wireless object is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that allows devices such as computers, that is laptops and desktops, mobile devices such as smartphones and wearables, and other equipment such as printers and video cameras to interface with the internet. It allows these devices and many more to exchange information with one another, creating a network. Internet connectivity occurs through a wireless router. When you access Wi-Fi, you are connecting to a wireless router that allows your Wi-Fi compatible devices to interface with the internet. Let us see how does Wi-Fi work. On the technical side, the IEEE 802.11 standard defines the protocols that enable communications with current Wi-Fi enabled wireless devices, including wireless routers and wireless access points. Wireless access points support different IEEE standards. Each standard is an amendment that was ratified over time. The standards operate on varying frequencies, deliver different bandwidth, and support different number of channels. So let us see what is wireless access point. A wireless access point allows wireless devices to connect to the wireless network. Having a Cisco wireless network makes it easy to bring new devices online and provides flexible support to mobile workers. What a wireless access point does for your network is similar to what an amplifier does for your home stereo. An access point takes the bandwidth coming from a router and stretches it so that many devices can go on the network from farther distances away. But a wireless access point does more than simply extend Wi-Fi. It can also give useful data about the devices on the network, provides proactive security, and serve many other practical purposes. Wireless router. Wireless routers are commonly found in homes. They are the hardware devices that internet service providers use to connect you to their cable or XDSL internet network. A wireless router is sometimes referred to as a wireless local area network, that is WLAN device. A wireless network is also called as Wi-Fi network. A wireless router combines the networking functions of a wireless access point and a router. Next is desktop Wi-Fi router. The most common way for users to connect to the internet wirelessly is with a desktop wireless router. These routers look like small boxes with multiple short antennas to help broadcast the signal throughout a home or workplace. The farther a user is from the base Wi-Fi router, the weaker is the signal. So, multiple wireless routers called as range extenders usually are placed throughout the workplace. Wi-Fi range extenders placed in an array boost or extend internet coverage. Then next is mobile hotspot. A mobile hotspot is a common feature on smartphones with both tethered and untethered connections. When you turn on mobile phone's hotspot, you share your wireless network connection with other devices that can then access the internet. Next is portable Wi-Fi hotspot. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot is a mobile hotspot obtained through a cell phone carrier. It is a small device that uses cellular towers that broadcast high-speed 3G or 4G broadband signals. Multiple devices like iPads and laptops can then connect wirelessly to the device, which in turn seamlessly connects to the internet wherever you travel. Similar to a cell phone, the portable hotspot's monthly cost is based on the data usage plan you select. A portable Wi-Fi hotspot is more reliable to access the internet than searching for static public Wi-Fi hotspots. Now let us see how Wi-Fi is useful for smart homes and in smart cities. Wi-Fi will provide the foundation for the smart cities of tomorrow. As the Internet of Things gains traction and continues to expand, it is impacting every area of our lives and quickly turning smart cities from a futuristic idea into a reality. Across the globe, cities are becoming more connected, collecting data everywhere to help planners make smarter decisions and deliver new services. With 34 billion devices expected to be connected to the internet within the next 3 years, according to the market analyst reports, applications are continuously being innovated to transform the way services are delivered. Approximately $6 trillion is being invested in the development of these applications in what is referred to as the next industrial revolution. The vision is to create cities where everything around us is seamlessly connected into one manageable framework. Using integrated urban information for better city management and optimization of resource consumption, smart city technology aims to increase productivity and reduce cost to improve the lives of citizens and visitors. As technology continues to advance, cities are required to plan for devices and new uses for data. Before they are able to start meeting these demands, they need to plan for capacity and speed to ensure a high quality experience. A robust wireless network is a key part of this preparation. It is the glue that holds smart cities together, enabling effortless sharing of workloads with data centers and bridging connectivity across wired and wireless. So here are some applications where Wi-Fi is used in smart homes, in smart cities. First is smart utilities. In a smart city, lighting will automatically be switched off when it is not needed. It will be able to detect when people are on the street and turn on and off accordingly, reducing the energy waste. In the near future, we can expect to see more city planners equipping their streets with smart lighting that uses sensors to track when there is high or low public footfall. Future smart traffic management is likely to be a core feature of smart cities. This includes centrally controlled traffic sensors and signals automatically regulating the flow of traffic in response to a real-time demand with the aim of smoothing flows of traffic to reduce the congestion. Next is data signage or digital signage. There is a variety of applications for digital signage to make information more accessible, which can be used for a wide variety of business services, such as displaying local business information, adverts, or promotions for tourist information. Interactive digital kiosks can also be deployed, providing people with information at their fingertips. Digital signage can also be used for infrastructure services. Some cities currently use them to display pollution levels and to communicate emergency warnings. They can also be used for displaying real-time transport updates, warning of congestion based on data collected from sensors in the city. Tourism. When travelers arrive from abroad, the first thing they do is switch off their data subscription. However, this is actually the precise moment when they need it the most. Data is essential to help them navigate the city, providing access to information such as maps and local amenities. They will always be looking for Wi-Fi to enable their journey to continue it smoothly. Smart cities will be equipped with the technology to help tourists make their way with continuous connectivity. Whether it is used for accessing local bus timetables on their mobile devices or downloading maps to local museums, citywide Wi-Fi key is used for connecting people to the knowledge. In the today's world, access to the internet is considered a necessity. Connectivity should not drop as people move between shops or hop on and off transit. Business. Revenue generating applications will transform the way business in smart cities communicate with their customers. In addition to increased use of digital signage to communicate offers and promotions, we can expect to see an increased use of beacons which send notification to the customers' smartphones as they enter a store. It will also transform the way people work, and tech savvy commuters will benefit from smart city technology to work on the go. The next and most important aspect of using Wi-Fi is bridging the digital divide. Many of us take internet access for granted. The reality is, half of the world's population does not have access to the internet, making this a digital divide. Smart cities will help address the economic and social inequality that this divide creates by providing internet access to all citizens. Bridging this divide will help bring communities closer together and encourage citizens to play a more active role to the local councils. Flawless connectivity will improve city infrastructure and make it possible for citizens to engage with their community, such as removing the roadblocks that complicate access to local services. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, the vision of the future is still emerging, and we have yet to see what a true smart city will look like. Smart City IoT is still an emerging concept with lots of ideas but only a few complete developments. Wi-Fi is the platform that will provide the foundation for city success, as it has immediate applications and can effectively connect a vast range of wireless technologies that will be involved in creating smart cities. As J.C. Buzz, the chairman of Smart City Council, puts it, fast, reliable broadband is the backbone of the smart city. It is the job one.